Before diving into the main content of this video, take a look at this picture. Can you guess what animal this skull belongs to? Is it some kind of alien monster, a creature from the world of Avatar, or a product of imagination? None of these guesses are correct. In fact, this is the skull of a cat. Here's an easier question. What animal does this skeleton belong to? Surely, just a glance at those oversized canine teeth is enough to recognize the saber-toothed tiger, one of the most iconic prehistoric creatures. But did you know that despite being called the saber-toothed tiger, are not closely related to modern tigers? Did you know there once existed a saber-toothed tiger that was herbivorous rather than carnivorous? And what led to their extinction on Earth? Saber-toothed tigers lived about 10,000 years ago in North America. Despite their name, these large beasts were not closely related to modern tigers or any big cats like leopards or lions. A 2005 study suggested they belonged to a distinct lineage based on fossil and DNA analysis, showing that saber-toothed tigers were part of a now extinct group of cats. Even so, the term saber-toothed tiger remains commonly used. Although not directly related, saber-toothed tigers and cats share similar brain mechanisms, indicating increasingly complex sensory functions, such as vision, hearing, and muscle coordination. Saber-toothed tigers had sturdy, muscular limbs and two razor-sharp canine teeth that could reach up to 15 centimeters in length. Their jaws could open to a 120-degree angle, while modern lions can only manage about 65 degrees. Despite their long, impressive canines, saber-toothed tigers had weaker bite forces compared to modern lions. Thus, they hunted by causing blood loss rather than suffocating their prey, a tactic suited for hunting large Ice Age animals. Fossil evidence suggests they were ambush predators, much like modern tigers, with enough speed to compete with other predators such as the North American gray wolf. According to data from the San Diego Zoo, saber-toothed tigers were incredibly powerful cats with exceptionally developed forelimbs. Some species in South America could weigh up to 400 kilograms and stand 1.2 meters tall, preying on animals like bison, young mammoths, horses, and camels. Interestingly, not all saber-toothed tigers were strictly carnivorous. A 2020 study suggested that some species might have been scavengers or even consumed plants. One example is Thylacosmilus, a prehistoric relative of kangaroos. It had large canines, not for hunting, but for tearing apart carrion. Even more ancient saber-toothed creatures like Thrinaxodon, which lived about 260 million years ago, had tooth structures, indicating they were herbivores. The diverse uses of saber teeth have surprised scientists, as they could serve purposes beyond killing prey, such as combat, attracting mates, or self-defense. Regarding habitat, saber-toothed tigers preferred enclosed areas like thickets and forests, which provided cover for ambushing prey. While it's unclear whether they lived in groups, some theories suggest they had lifestyles similar to lions, with males protecting the group and females doing most of the hunting. The reason for the extinction of saber-toothed tigers remains a mystery. One theory suggests they faced a food shortage as Earth entered the Ice Age, causing the extinction of many large herbivores. However, a 2002 study analyzing the wear on saber-toothed tiger teeth found no evidence of starvation. Another theory points to the arrival of humans in the Americas around 14,000 years ago, leading to conflicts between humans and saber-toothed tigers. It is even possible that humans hunted them to extinction. According to CNN, 13,000 years ago, 35 species of giant animals including mammoths, mastodons, saber-toothed tigers, and ground sloths went extinct simultaneously. In 2007, some scientists proposed a theory that a celestial object crashed into Earth, causing a dramatic drop in the planet's temperature and triggering the mass extinction. At the time, the human population also suffered a severe decline. The impact caused massive wildfires, producing smoke that obscured the sun and led to a prolonged winter lasting approximately 1,400 years. In 2019, researchers from Carolina State University discovered evidence of this impact in the form of large amounts of platinum found in sediments across Europe, West Asia, Chile, South Africa, and North America. Platinum is a metal commonly found in celestial objects like asteroids, comets, and meteorites. According to CNN, geologist Crystal Pema from Colorado State University stated, We have found extensive evidence and have expanded our research areas. Over the past few years, numerous surveys have also indicated that a collision likely caused the climate changes 13,000 years ago. The presence of platinum in sediments worldwide suggests the impact had global consequences. The research team identified that the celestial object struck Greenland, creating a massive crater, which they plan to date precisely. However, all of this remains theoretical. Perhaps the only way to find out for sure is to revive saber-toothed tigers and ask them. Of course, that's just a joke. The idea of reviving these big cats is not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Some remarkably preserved saber-toothed tiger specimens have been unearthed from ancient tar pits, such as the La Brea tar pits in the United States. The most feasible method for bringing them back to life today is through gene editing technology. Simply put, scientists would extract DNA from parts of these animals' bodies, such as skin or blood, which are often well preserved in glacial ice. The extracted DNA would then be combined with the DNA of a closely related species that still exists today. However, while the theory is sound, current scientific and technological limitations prevent humanity from making this a reality. Therefore, the day we witness saber-toothed tigers in the flesh remains a distant dream.